Tragic incident. Another taxi driver fatally shot on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew, second attack in August. Tragedy strikes again on Red Hills Road as another taxi driver is fatally shot, marking the second such incident this month. Authorities are investigating possible links between the murders. In a tragic turn of events, another taxi operator has been brutally gunned down on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew. The incident, which occurred late Friday night, has left the local community in shock and raised concerns about the safety of taxi drivers in the area. The victim, known only as Dale, was a well-known taxi driver who operated within the parish. Reports indicate that Dale was driving near the intersection of Sandy Gully Bridge, close to the Grace Reformed Baptist Church, at approximately 11 p.m. when the horrifying incident took place. According to police reports, the gunman was likely a passenger in Dale's vehicle. This chilling detail has intensified the investigation as authorities work tirelessly to uncover the motive behind this senseless act of violence. Disturbingly, this is the second time in just a few weeks that a taxi driver has been murdered along the same stretch of road. On August 10, 29-year-old taxi operator LaShawn Heslop was also shot and killed at the exact location. This eerie similarity has led investigators to explore a possible connection between the two murders. The local community is understandably on edge, fearing that a pattern of targeted violence may be emerging. The Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, of the Jamaica Constabulary Force has issued a stern warning to all taxi operators, urging them to remain vigilant and to report any suspicious activity immediately. The CCU emphasized the importance of being observant, particularly when picking up passengers in potentially dangerous areas. This advisory comes as the police intensify their efforts to solve these cases and prevent further bloodshed. As the investigation continues, residents and taxi operators alike are calling for increased police presence and better security measures along Red Hills Road. The recent spate of violence has sparked conversations about the need for improved safety protocols for those working in the transportation industry. Stay tuned to 876NewsJA.com for the latest updates on this developing story and other news that matters to you. We are committed to keeping our readers informed as new information becomes available.